Hey there everyone, welcome back, hope you are doing well. Quick question guys, how do you set your section lines for your stairs? Well, if you're still using a line, like for example if you're using a line to draw something like this, you are in fact wasting your time. In this short video, I'm going to give you a very quick technique for doing this. First off, I'm going to remove this sketch. Then up here from the Express Tools tab, I'm going to select Recline Symbol. After selecting the item, from its sub-items, I'm going to control its size first. For example, I'm going to set this on, let's say, 8. Then after that, I'm going to set up this, well, you can say diagonal line from end to end of the step. And then to add the symbol, I can just easily click on the midpoint. Here we go. Just like this, you can set up a section line for your stairs during your projects. Hope you would find this content beneficial. See you all next time.